So I would like to explain R-wavelet decomposition for the given sequence. You consider the sequence 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So we need to decompose this into approximate and detailed coefficients. So this is level 1. So to find out approximate coefficients, we need to take average. For detailed coefficients, we have to find the difference. So consider first two values. So it is 4 plus 5 by 2. Then it is 6 plus 7 by 2. 8 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2. Similarly, we need to find the difference. So it is 4 minus 5 by 2. 6 minus 7 by 2. 8 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. So if you simplify this further, it is 9 by 2. 13 by 2. Again 9 by 2. 5 by 2. So these four constitute approximate coefficients. Then here we have detailed coefficients, nothing but difference between values, minus 1 by 2. So we can write index of these values, say this is for better understanding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you don't write these values in your exams, it will be a bit confusing. So just for understanding, here you can write. So this value is from 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, again 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So first level is over, then we can go to second level. In second level, we need to work only on approximate coefficients. That's what decomposition we do. We work only on low pass coefficients. So we need to combine these two and these two. So it is going to be 9 by 2 plus 13 by 2 divided by 2. Similarly, 9 by 2 plus 5 by 2 divided by 2. The difference, 9 by 2 minus 13 by 2 divided by 2. 9 by 2 minus 5 by 2 divided by 2. So this is going to be 22 by 4. 22 by 4. This is 14 by 4. This is going to be minus 4 by 4. This is plus 4 by 4. The remaining values are minus 1 by 2. You need to write remaining values as such. Detailed coefficients could be written as such. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So as I told you, write index here. Here this is the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the combination of actually 5, 6, 7, 8. This is once again the difference value from 1 to 3, 4. Difference 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So second level is over, then we need to go to third level. So third level, now I think I can work out directly. So it is going to be 36 by 8, 22 plus 14, 36 by 8. Then the difference value, 22 minus 14. So it is 8 by 8. 8 by 8. The remaining values are as such. Minus 4 by 4, 4 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2. So based on these two values, I have gone for approximate and detailed coefficients. So if you write index, then this is what going to be the index. This is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all values. Similarly, this is also from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is detailed coefficient. Then this is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you want to write the final set of coefficients, then it can be simplified like this. 9 by 2, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So this is decomposition. Or we can say analysis. The next part is synthesis. So for synthesis, so do the reverse process. We can take from here. So take the values having similar indices. So 36 by 8, 8 by 8. You go for summation of values and difference between values. That is what the reconstruction process. So the first step is 36 plus 8 plus 8 by 8. First value. Then the difference. So 36 by 8 minus, because this is what the coefficients having similar index. Okay, then don't touch other values, you write as such. Minus 4 by 4, 4 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2. It is going to be 44 by 8, nothing but 22 by 4. 22 by 4. Then this is going to be 28 by 8, nothing but 14 by 4. By 4. Write remaining values as such. So minus 4 by 4, 4 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2. And now if you look at the index, this is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So since we process these two, then actually it is getting separated. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes 5, 6, 7, 8. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just for understanding, I am writing these indices. Otherwise, you don't write these things. So this is first level of synthesis. For the next level, once again you need to consider similar indices. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you consider these two. Go for addition and subtraction. So that is next level. This is first level. So next level, 22 by 4 minus 22 by 4 addition minus 4 by 4. Then 22 by 4 minus of minus 4 by 4. So this is first case. Then you consider these two. So 14 by 4 plus 4 by 4. So it is going to be 18 by 4. And 14 by 4 minus 4 by 4. It is going to be 10 by 4. For the first two values, I have written elaborately. For the next, you can follow the same. 10 by 4. Then you write remaining values as such. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Clear? So it is going to be 18 by 4. It is going to be 26 by 4. This is once again 18 by 4, 10 by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So if you write the index, this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is composed into 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 1, 2, this is 3, 4. This is 5, 6, this is 7, 8. Actually, we process 1, 2, 3, 4. So those values will be separated into 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we process 5, 6, 7, 8. So values will be separated into 5, 6 and 7, 8. Then these values are written as such. Now you consider similar values from similar indices. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go for summation. So before that, here we have 2, here we have 4. Then you can simplify so that it will be easy. So this is going to be 9 by 2. This is going to be 13 by 2. Again 9 by 2. This is 5 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 7 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Now you consider these two values. Consider these two values. Go for, because these two have similar indices, 1, 2, 1, 2. Go for summation and difference. So it is going to be 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Then 9 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Clear? So it is going to be 8 by 2. Then it is going to be 10 by 2. Similarly, summation and difference. So it is going to be 13 minus 13 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 13 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. It is going to be 12 by 2. It is going to be 14 by 2. Okay. Similarly, if you write this, it is 16 by 2. It is going to be 16 by 2. Then 9 minus 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Then it is going to be 2 by 2. Then last two values having similar indices, 7, 8, 7, 8. 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It is going to be 4 by 2. 5 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Nothing but 6 by 2. So 16 by 2, 2 by 2, 4 by 2, 6 by 2. So if you rewrite these values, then it is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So So this is synthesis part, or it can be called as reconstruction. So let me explain again. So consider the sequence. We need to go for approximate and detailed coefficients. To find out approximate, we normally go for averaging, and detailed coefficients, it is high pass filtering. So normally, if you find the difference, then it leads to high pass filtering. So consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values. Go for some average of those values so that you will get approximate coefficients. Then go for the difference with respect to the pairs, you will get detailed coefficients. So first step is done. Then with respect to approximate coefficients, we need to decompose further. That is what all about decomposition, wavelet decomposition. So we go for the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4. Go for average of those values. Then find out average between 5, 6 and 7, 8. Once it is done, then you write detailed coefficients as such. So we get 22 by 4, 14 by 4, minus 4 by 4, 4 by 4, and detailed coefficients. Then the next step is with respect to the approximate coefficients 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is coefficients based on these two values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to go for once again averaging and difference. So this is average value, this is difference value. The remaining are detailed coefficients. So on the whole, this is approximate coefficient. This is approximate coefficient. All the remaining values are detailed coefficients. Detailed coefficients. So with this decomposition or analysis ends, then we need to go for reconstruction of values. How to reconstruct the values? We need to do the reverse process. So to have better understanding, I have given indices to the values. Then subsequently you can proceed. So the first one is from all the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this is detailed coefficients. These are the remaining detailed coefficients from the coefficients 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So in the decomposition process, as I have told you, we need to go for summation and difference so that we can get back the values. Now you consider the two values, that is first two values, that is approximate coefficient and the first detailed coefficient. So based on that, go for summation and difference. So it is, that is 6 divided by 8 plus 8 by 8. That is what we have got from the last decomposition step. That is going to be 22 by 4. Then the difference is going to be 14 by 4. Since we do summation and difference, then we will get back the values from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So these two are approximate coefficients now. Then remaining are detailed coefficients. You write the values as such. Now, with respect to the same indices, again you go for summation and addition. So this is from 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also from detailed coefficients from 1, 2, 3, 4. So by going for summation and difference, then we can get back approximate coefficient. So once again go for 22 by 4 minus 4 by 4. This is summation. Difference is 22 by 4 minus of minus 4 by 4. This is difference. Since we process 1, 2, 3, 4, then values will get separated. It will become 1, 2 and 3, 4. That is the coefficient related to 1 and 2 values present in the sequence. So it is 9 by 2. Similarly, it becomes 13 by 2. So it is to be done for say 5, 6, 7, 8 coefficient also, because this is approximate coefficient. This is the detailed coefficient related to 5, 6, 7, 8. So we do summation and difference. So we get 9 by 2, 5 by 2. Meanwhile, we need to write detailed coefficients as such. So now we have approximate coefficients and detailed coefficients from pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, detailed coefficients from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we need to combine approximate and detailed coefficients related to each pair. So, for 1, 2, we have approximate coefficient 9 by 2 and the detailed coefficient minus 1 by 2. So, I go for summation and difference. That is what I have written. This is summation, this is difference. So, we get back 8 by 2, 10 by 2, nothing but 4 and 5. Similarly, you combine approximate and detailed coefficients related to 3, 4. 3, 4, that is nothing but 13 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So, we get 6 and 7. Then you do the same process for approximate detailed coefficients related to 5, 6. 5th and 6th value present in the given index. Then do the same for 7 and 8. So, we can get back the reconstructed sequence. So, this is one example for Haar-Wavelet decomposition and synthesis. Similarly, you can solve any given sequence. Thank you.